I guess my question to you is, why do you give so much power over what other people say? This is your journey. If you feel that connection with your person, it doesn't really matter what others say or think. And if you're bothered by them, just stop talking about your SP with them. If they ask, you can just say, I'm working on myself for now, and this is what I believe is best for me. Or you could just say, everything's great. Both of us are working on ourselves, and I know that we'll come back better than ever. Just shut down the conversation really fast so you don't have to ruminate, or give a one sentence answer so you don't feel tempted to repeat old stories. And don't give them an opportunity to ask you about all the stuff that happened in the past, especially if it triggers you. So you just create a firm boundary around this, and it might be hard for your friends to understand right away, but if you keep reminding them and you know that it's coming from love, eventually they will stop asking. They'll stop asking because they will realize that they're not going to get the answers that they're looking for from you. So I hope that helps. Ask me any other questions in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.